In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating pop-up on the Hostinger website builder in just a few simple steps. This process will help you engage your website visitors effectively and ensure that your message gets across in the most appealing way. So let's dive right in. First, we need to open the Hostinger website builder. Hopefully, you already have a project open that you're working on. If not, take a moment to log into your account and open the project where you'd like to add the pop-up. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the menu options available on your screen. We're heading over to the Add Elements section. It's here that you can include various features to make your website more interactive and user-friendly. Once you're in the Add Elements section, look for the option named Pop-up. This is our key feature today, and selecting it will set you on the right path. After clicking on Pop-up, you'll be presented with a variety of pop-up templates. These templates are professionally designed to save you time and to spark your creativity. You're welcome to sift through the collection and choose a design that aligns with the aesthetic and functional goals of your site. For those of you who prefer more creative freedom, there's also the option to build your own pop-up from scratch, giving you ultimate control over every aspect of its design and function. Now comes the fun part, customizing your pop-up. You're not only looking to adjust the content to suit your needs, but also to set the right triggers and perfect the design style so it speaks to your audience. What message do you want to display? Is it a special offer, a newsletter sign up, or maybe a simple warm welcome? Dive into the text elements and personalize it. Ensure your message is clear and engaging. Next, consider what will trigger this pop-up to appear. Perhaps you'd like it to display after a certain amount of time or when a visitor scrolls through a portion of the page. You might even choose to have it pop up when someone is about to leave the site, so you can make a last-minute appeal for them to stay connected. Lastly, refine the design. Use colors, fonts, and imagery that are in harmony with the rest of your site, keeping it visually attractive and coherent. Once satisfied with your customizations, it's time to save all your hard work. Take a minute to ensure everything looks just right and functions as intended. There's a preview option if you'd like to see how it will look to your user. When you're happy with the final outcome, go ahead and publish the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dynamic and engaging pop-up for your website using Hostinger's website builder. This small addition can make a big impact on visitor engagement and site effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!